Joining me today from our test kitchen is Sarah Curry, who you all know. And Sarah has a really quick and tasty quick bread using cheddar from America's Dairyland. I love cheddar cheese.
Me too.
Actually, like sometimes when I get home, I eat a piece of cheddar cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's an excellent thing to eat.
I know, it's so good.
I would say I do that 3 days a week.
And I like the really dry cheddar, strong, white or yellow.
They're making great cheeses in Wisconsin now, actually.
They are. 2 eggs, I'm supposed to break in here, right?
2 eggs,
Okay.
a cup of buttermilk, and 4 tablespoons of butter. You can whisk those together.
Melted.
Melted and cooled. This is 7 ounces of cheddar that's going to get mixed into the bread.
So it's a quick bread.
Yep.
No yeast.
No yeast, no machines. Just mix everything together by hand.
No reason not to have good bread at home for a snack.
Completely.
Now, what do you eat on cheese bread? Cheese?
Well, you can eat cheese, but I like a marmalade or a really high quality jam is really nice because I like cheese and jam together.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Do you not do that?
No, not usually. I mean, my friends always put out, fig jam with their French cheeses, but I usually leave the jam and eat the cheese.
Okay, so leave the jam, eat the cheese, so then just toast the bread and eat it on its own.
Yes.
This is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and then to that add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda because we're using buttermilk, so it's acidic, so we want to use baking soda as well. A teaspoon
and a loaf pan that is buttered and floured.
And the oven is at 350 degrees.
Right.
There's a teaspoon of salt, and then to this mixture I'm adding almost all, not completely all, about 6 ounces of the grated cheddar. Sharp cheddar is the best, and then 1 ounce goes on top.
And I should pour this over that?
Yep. Just mix it in.
Okay. Here's a scraper for
There
you.
you have one. Okay, good. That's it. That's all there is to it. It's like any quick bread. This one's savory, which is kind of nice. When I went to Ireland, we had tons of quick breads because they all make that delicious brown bread.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so good.
Here, why don't you use the spatula?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah. All right. That just gets mixed in there and then transferred to that buttered and floured pan. It's a little stiff. It's stiffer than some batters, so you might want to just sort of like pat it in there.
I will.
And then smooth the top and good to go.
So it's a rough, quick bread.
Yeah, but it comes out really nicely. It domes a little bit on top. It gets a little golden from the cheese, so
I might even take a piece of this home so that I can have my cheddar with something.
Your cheese bread with cheese?
Right.
I'm all for that.
Okay, there.
There you go. Sprinkle. And then it takes about 50 to 55 minutes to bake. 350. A cake tester inserted in the center should come out clean.
So Wisconsin cheese bread actually is really, really pretty. That's lovely. Can I have an interior slice,
Absolutely. No end.
please? No, I don't want an end.
Nice, tender interior.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Moist?
So it's moist, yeah.
Yeah.
Look how nicely it slices.
Yeah. It'll slice
Really
well. There you
great.
go.
Oh, lovely.
The thinnest slice ever.
Soft Irish butter, please. This bread isn't just for your favorite cheese heads.
It's for everyone.
It's for everyone. Thank you very much for showing
Thank you.
us this. And thank you all for watching. See you next time on Martha Bakes.